Hey, yo, it finally came in, yo. It finally came in. Our first merch. Sorry, I'm talking away from the camera. Our first piece of merch, and I don't even know how long, bro. I recently put a sample order in for one of my hoodies that I'm thinking about producing and selling. I have a bunch of different merch, coffee mugs, and things like that. But I wanted to. Ooh, ooh-wee. Oh yeah, yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. Okay. This looks fly too. I was questioning. You know how when you put a sample order in and you don't know how the design and the colors mainly are gonna look. Like this feels nice. Smell good too. So this is the front of the SoulMan hoodie, right? But check out the back though. Conscious taste, food for thought. Like, yeah. We put this bad boy on. Hold up. We are in business, y'all. We in business. Yeah. And I just got some new oils in to restart the incense and oils. I'll let y'all know soon time what fragrances I have in right now. Again, I'm funding all of this out of my own pocket. So like anybody else, there's no like private investments or anything like that that's behind this. This is, whatever I have is what I'm going to try to pour into this. This goes for the music. When I put the music out, this goes for the incense and oils, buying those and the bottles. I still had some of my dad's punk sticks, the bland, nothing on the punk sticks. Still had some of those left over, the bundles, so I didn't have to buy those, which was fortunate. But yeah, let me know what y'all think of this. Would you cop some SoulMan merch, some SoulMan swag? It probably won't be like this here. I probably have one that has like the logo in the top, or might be the fresh air flavor one will be the next ones. I just wanted to have something to wear like when I'm on stream and I'm recording. Right now I'm actually in the middle of recording the mini Royale game. It just dropped early access, so trying to get a video for that ready for y'all to be able to see. But yeah, man, let me know what you think. You can tell I'm geeked. On that note, I'll catch y'all in the next one. This your man SoulMan IT. We out ski, y'all. Peace.